It is finally here. Alright, what is this? Guys, this has nothing to do with computers. This has everything to do with my hobby. I'd like to share this moment. It's a little hard to do it with one hand, but I think I can do it. Alright. This is the newest thing out there. A model of Airbus A350-900. I don't think this plane is flying yet, but Revell has a model of it. Let's get the box out of the way. And okay. Professionally, I do computer work. For my hobby and my soul, I build models of airplanes. I haven't built any. You can see there are some nice examples here. This is an Airbus Beluga. There's 747. There's quite a few of them. When I had the shop, they were all hanging up on the ceiling just like here, and people would come and just look at them. They are quite interesting pieces. Okay. And I have practically every Airbus out there, so I thought, you know what? Getting a A350 is just given. So, oops. We got some wings. We got some windows. That's the first one. I've never seen windows on these airplanes. The fuselage. It is roughly the size of a 777 before they stretched it. 787 is the same size. I do have that model half built. Instructions and decals. I want to see decals. Nice. Okay. On a 777, most of the stuff has to be painted, and sometimes when you're in my position, you just don't have time for intricate painting. Alright, I love it. I love the colors. I love the blue. That's my corporate colors. Let's see what else. There's one thing that I'm looking for, and that is the engines on this aircraft have or I should say on this aircraft model. So here are the engine parts, and I guess the stand, interesting looking stand, but the 787 I have, it's not Revell model, it's from Zvezda company, it's a Russian company, but it has the same rotating fan blades. So this is a first. I was waiting for this for quite a long time, that the actual fan blades would be turning. It's almost impossible to see when they're inside, and it's hard to appreciate, but knowledge of the fact that they are gives me enough. There are some plans I have for this stuff, so that's what they look like. A little, let's see, compressor, first stage compressor blades. These two come together and comprise one first stage blade. or set of blades. All right, here we have it, the A350 Airbus. And someday, maybe someday, I'll post something where I actually put it together. Thank you.